Welcome back to Insurance Fundas, another informative video presentation. Today, let's have a detailed look at LIC's one of the most popular plan, Jeevan Umang. Let's have a look at important benefits of the plan. The most important feature of LIC's Jeevan Umang plan is guaranteed survival benefits, which are paid annually at the rate of 8% of the sum assured. These benefits can also called as guaranteed lifelong tax-free annuity. It also provides lifelong insurance coverage up to 100 years of age. The insurance coverage increases every year, providing adequate protection at a higher age when it is most needed. Another innovative feature of Jeevan Umang plan is the high liquidity it offers. Policyholder can surrender the policy any time after the premium paying term to meet his financial needs. Loan facility is also available to meet short-term financial requirements. Thus, Jeevan Umang can also serve as a source of money anytime you need it. So, we can call Jeevan Umang as a 3-in-1 plan. Now, let's see the eligibility conditions of the plan. The minimum age at entry is 0 years of age, whereas the maximum age at entry is 55 years of age. So, the plan is available for almost all ages with minimum pension starting age of 30 years. Now, let's consider an example of Mr. Rahul, who is 30 years old, purchasing a 25 lakh sum assured Jeevan Umang plan. Let the term of the plan be 15 years. In the premium paying period up to 45 years of age, Rahul will be paying around 2 lakh rupees as premium annually. And Rahul will be getting guaranteed lifelong annuity of rupees 2 lakh up to 100 years of age. The maturity of the plan will be on Rahul attaining 100 years of age, and the approximate expected return as per current bonus rates and the benefit illustration table provided by LIC is around 2.94 crores. Death coverage of the plan also increases steadily from rupees 25 lakhs to 2.94 crores. Now, let's see the income tax benefits available for Jeevan Umang plan. Premium of rupees 2 lakh paid annually is eligible for income tax rebate under Section 80C of Income Tax Act. The survival benefit of rupees 2 lakh, which is received as annuity, will be exempted from income tax under Section 10(10)(d) of Income Tax Act. Even though the maturity of the plan is designed to be at 100 years of age, exit from the plan is possible even earlier, either by death or surrender. All these three modes of exit from the plan, maturity, death and surrender, are exempted from income tax under Section 10(10)(d) of Income Tax Act. Let's see how much insurance coverage and surrender value will be available for Rahul under the plan at various ages. At the starting of the plan, the normal coverage available will be 25 lakhs, which steadily increases with age as shown in the chart. The surrender value available under the plan is also shown in the chart. Jeevan Umang is a unique plan which can boast of 5 specialties which are not available in other plans. Let's have a look at these features one by one. 1. Special surrender value which helps you to take and exit from the plan profitably anytime you want. 2. Paid up value benefit where all the benefits including survival benefits and insurance benefits become payable if paid up sum assured is 2 lakh or more. 3. Guaranteed tax-free survival benefits where annuity received becomes tax-free throughout the life of the policyholder. 4. Bonus accruing throughout life which helps to increase the coverage and surrender value of the plan with increase in age. 5. Riders available under the plan provides a complete protection to the policyholder. In short, the Jeevan Umang plan can offer complete peace of mind for the life assured throughout his life. Log on to www.insurancefunda.in for more details on Jeevan Umang plan. Use the search option in the right top corner to find the articles on Jeevan Umang plan. You can also use the Jeevan Umang maturity and benefit calculator in the site to understand the benefit pattern of the plan. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when we release new videos. Thank you for watching.